Hey guys, this is George Jackson, and I kind of wanted to show you my all new, guess what it is? Oh, bam. It's my new Halo UNSC ODST drop pod. And starting off with the front is the blast door. This little blue rod or stick pops out like that, and it comes up. And then this door doesn't go open all the way, but at least it goes open some of the way, so that way he can go out. And then this right here, these propeller brakes, and then the top. The different stages from like here and then here. And then there's a tan piece right in there. Right there. And that tan piece is holding it's holding this thing from going all the way up. So, and yeah, and then there's paper surrounding the whole thing. Most of it, and then the front is Knex. Then the inside isn't really very special because it's just blue sticks or rods at the bottom. That's pretty much it. But on my UNSC Spartan video, I was going to tell you guys or give you guys the a assault rifle, but I couldn't really get the assault rifle done, so I just gave him an SMG right here. It's got the sights right there. Let me zoom it in for you. Sights. Can't get it to zoom in, but whatever, there's the sights. And nothing really new. Actually, yeah, there's something new. His chest is, I added some armor to it, just some sticks. His head, nothing different. And his shoulders are yellow instead of red. And I told you guys that I was going to compare him to the Grunt. And right here, this is the comparison from the Grunt to the UNSC Spartan. And the Spartan is sitting down. So if I were to stand up the Spartan, the Grunt is much shorter. If I were to stand him up full, then it would be like a no-brainer. But I am going to show you guys my original UNSC Spartan. And it's this. That's it. I just kind of threw them together so that way I could play with them. And yeah, nothing really special about them. And the height comparison to the UNSC Spartan and Grunt, he is standing up. So that is the original UNSC Spartan standing up, and that is the UNSC Spartan sitting down. That's the Covenant Grunt standing up. So that is the height comparison. So this is my last video for the until the second showcase, which will be my next video. And please rate, comment, and subscribe. and have a great day.